Hello and welcome to FunTelligence Hub. Today you will need a pen/pencil, something to write on, and finally, your thinking hat. We are going to be doing a trivia. Converting fractions to decimals. Don't worry if you don't know this. We're going to go through 3 together, so you're not a bit too stressed. And don't worry, this is meant to be a fun activity. To convert a fraction to decimal, we divide the numerator by the denominator. Let's have a go together. Convert half to a decimal. You may already know this, but let's just do it. Step 1. Divide the numerator by the denominator. 1 divided by 2. Step 2. Use the bus stop method to calculate the answer. 1 divided by 2. 2 goes into 1 0 times, so you add the decimal point. That means it becomes 10, and 2 times 5 is 10. So 0.5 would be your answer. Easy as that. Let's try another one together. Convert 2/5 to a decimal. Step 1. Divide the numerator by the denominator, 2 divided by 5. And step 2. Use the bus stop method to calculate the answer. That means 2 divided by 5. 5 goes into 2 0 times. Add the decimal point. It becomes 20. 5 times 4 is 20. 2/5 as a decimal is 0.4. It's kind of easy once you've got the hang of it. So, let's try a final one together. Convert 3/4 to a decimal. You may already know this again, but let's just do it. Divide the numerator by the denominator, 3 divided by 4. And then step 2, use the bus stop method to calculate the answer like we did for all the 2. 3 divided by 4, 4 goes into 3 0 times. The point goes in, it becomes 30. Now, 4 times nothing is 30, but 4 times 6 is 24. But we can add one more. 4 times 7 is 28. There's a remainder which is 2, so it would become 20. So 4 times 5 is 20. 0.75 would be your answer. Now let's have a go with the trivia. Convert each fraction to a decimal. 1 1/5. 2 2/20. 3 1/4. 4 1/6. 5 1/8. So, you can pause while you're at it. Now let's have a go at the answers. 0.2 or 0.20. 0.1 or 0.10. So, I've said 2 answers because if you add any zeros, any amount of zeros, it doesn't really matter because it's the same thing. So, the zeros go on for infinity. So, it can be 0.2000. It can be anything like that. 3 is 0.25. 4 is 0.16. And 5 is 0.125. Now let's go for the actual quiz. What is half as a decimal? 0.75, 0.25, or 0.5? What is 5/20 as a decimal? 0.25, 0.5, or 0.4? What is 0.25 as a fraction? Half, 2/5, or 1/4? What is 0.75 as a fraction? 1/4, 3/4, or 2/4? Bye and see you next time. Tune in for more at FunTelligence Hub. Like and subscribe!